Zack with FTx here, and today we're going to get an introduction to Altria's Digital Trade Program, or DTP for short. I spent the past 20 years working in retail software, and many of those being in the tobacco space, and the only constant seems to be change. One of the biggest changes over the past few years have been around manufacturers, particularly Altria creating retailer incentive programs. Initially it was just scan data, but now it's evolved into much more than that, and sometimes it can be confusing for a retailer to figure out how to participate, and more importantly, how to maximize revenue. And this comes from steeper discounts and bigger incentives. With that in mind, our team here has put together a short video series summarizing Altria's Digital Trade Program. Each section in this series is meant to give retailers a clear and concise understanding of what they can do to maximize earning potential and how we here at FTx can help. And if you're unfamiliar with FTx, first off, welcome and thank you for spending time with us. Secondly, know that we are considered experts in the tobacco retail space. We have thousands of deployments, including most of the top 50 tobacco chains here in the US. Our customers vastly vary in size. Some have as few as 2 locations, while others have over 200 across dozens of states. Now that the introductions are out of the way, let's get started. So what exactly is it? Well, at a high level, it's simply an incentive platform for retailers. These incentives range from steeper discounts on their products in your stores to cash which fund the deployment of technology needed to further participation. It's an Altria framework for managing scan data, incentives, and digital engagement. It's designed to make reporting easier, improve accuracy, and give compliant retailers access to premium programs like Personalization Plus. Staying compliant with their digital trade program isn't just about following the rules. It unlocks real, tangible advantages that can positively impact your store operations, customer engagement, and ultimately the bottom line. Altria's DTP has always been tiered based, and the higher your tier, the more incentives you have access to, but also you're required to do more. In 2026, Altria is bringing some significant updates, including a new top tier, Tier 4. One of the most exciting additions in this tier is the Digital Accelerator Program. This gives retailers assigned funds to create targeted offers and promotions. A couple of examples from this program are click-to-card promotions and in-store discounts. With click-to-card, retailers receive a fund, for example, $5,000, and that fund can be allocated across digital coupons in a few ways. You could give 1,000 coupons at $5 each or 2,000 coupons at $2.50 each. The flexibility allows stores to tailor their campaigns to their customers and sales goals. This makes it easier to reward loyalty and drive engagement. When using in-store discounts, assigned funds can be used to offer discounts to specific loyalty members in your customer database. This rewards them for their loyalty and entices them to purchase more. Another major change in 2026 is that EAIV is no longer a requirement for a loyalty consumer to be eligible to receive a Personalization Plus discount. By dropping this requirement, it should open up nearly your entire loyalty database as long as you're using AVT on their sales, like scanning their driver's license. Altria's DTP has a lot of moving parts, and there's a ton of information to take in. But fortunately, that's where we come in. Check out our subsequent videos in this series, and we'll summarize the entire program to help you climb to Tier 4, which will ensure you are maximizing your earnings while staying compliant. So I appreciate you taking time to hang out with me today and learn more about how FTx can help you with Altria's DTP. Check out our videos on FTx Academy or visit goftx.com. Until next time, take care. Hey guys, quick note. This video series is based on our understanding of Altria's 2026 Digital Trade Program. Sometimes things can and do change, so you need to make sure you check with your Altria rep to ensure your compliance with their guidelines. Thanks.